Okay, y'all. Hey, CJ.
Yes, sir.
Hold that pole. You still see the frog? Yeah, it's right there. Come on. Get me over here, y'all. Come on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, somebody pull me back in. Pull me in.
Get him!
The Bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
Let's go catch some frogs, y'all. Okay, if you're gonna hold this motor.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice and straight.
Yeah. Hold the motor. Okay. We got a frog. Well, y'all acting surprised, but ain't that what we come for? Coming through, scoot over. Whoa, 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 just be still. Him in this pole. Okay, poke this pole right here and shove the front end that way. Hold that pole. You still see the frog? Yeah, it's right there. Come on, get me over here, y'all. Come on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, somebody pull me back in. Pull me in.
Get him!
I'm good, I'm good.
Got him!
I'm good.
Got him!
No, there he is. Okay, y'all, I ain't gonna fart around with him. See him looking at me right there? We got two of them there.
Yeah.
One in the front, one in the back. We talking about eating, y'all. Okay, I'm coming. Left-handed. All right, get the sack, get the sack. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, man, Nate, come on, come on, come on. Jesus, no, come on, Nate. Hey!
Nate caught
I got
one.
one.
We're gonna idle pass
There he
him.
is.
That's an alligator, y'all. Now the frog in the boat, y'all. You look off in the distance with these lights we got, and you see their eyes glowing. And once you see the eyes, I just sneak up on him and just grab him. Now that's gonna be some good eating tomorrow. There's a gator right there, and he's after my frog. I'm gonna catch him on the left side. You need to scoot over a little bit.
There's an alligator right there.
I know. I want the frog. And I got the frog. Gator thought he was gonna win, but I won this time. Well, what you think about that, buddy? Most people only hear about frog legs. They're thinking about this right here, okay? But we eat the whole body. The fry all this. Front legs, everything up to his eyeballs. Hey, y'all know I love catching frogs, but there's one thing better than catching frogs, and that's eating frogs. I went ahead and skinned these this morning. This is ones we caught last night. So I'm gonna cut these in half. That's one good thing about this. Cut that in half. You make 2 legs out of it. Well, it's actually 2 legs. That's how you do that. And we're gonna cook these a couple different ways because there's more than one way now that was odd. Y'all seen that? How in the world did we get a one-legged frog? I'm gonna have to count these. I guess you count by 2 and divide. I don't know. I think we're missing a frog leg. I don't know. All right, that's a lot of frogs. Time to get with it. First thing we're gonna do is drop a couple of eggs in here. Y'all watch this. Boy, that's a thick shell egg. I put a good bit of stuff on this one. You gotta cut these eggs and beat them up real good. Watch this, y'all. We're beating these eggs up like this. We want them mixed real good because we're fixing to make egg wash. But we're gonna make a different kind of egg wash. Most people use eggs and water or eggs and milk. but I use eggs and half, and it just makes your flour pop and taste gooder. Now another thing I like to do with my egg wash, y'all, go ahead and add a little seasoning to it. Okay, a lot of seasoning with the egg. That's some good stuff. We're gonna mix this in good. I'm gonna do this 3 different ways, so I'm gonna make 3 different piles. What y'all think about that? We'll fix and see if I can do a little math here. It ain't working. Okay, 2 here. About that many there. When y'all get over here. Oh, golly, here. And just like I said, we got 1 left over, so we got 1 jumping around here. If y'all see a 1-legged frog running around, y'all call me. All right, y'all, we're gonna drop these in here. Let them soak just a minute. All right, we're fixing to do some fish fry now. Let me get some of my fish fry. Back in the old day, we used to just mix our own, half and half. Half cornmeal and half flour, season it up, and that's basically fish fry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season this up pretty good using this Blackstone seasoning, and I like mine a little extra. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna move you over here. It'll be all right. I'm gonna get me one of these plates right here. I'm gonna show y'all something here. Okay, this is my egg wash. Let me mix this up good. Just another thing, you wanna mix your seasoning. Y'all see the seasoning in here, how it is? Okay, we gotta mix that. You gotta mix it. You don't wanna play with it. Get it mixed up good. All right? All right. Because if not, you're gonna bite into a hot spot, which I don't mind, but okay, we're gonna drop 1 at a time in here. See this? And we're gonna shake. And we're gonna shake. And we're gonna shake. We're gonna get this stuff everywhere. That's why my wife makes me cook outside. About when you think you got it done, let me show you what we gotta do now. Take them all out. Every one of them. Then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna dip this leg, dip it in here. Dip this leg. This is what down south we call double dipping. And double dipping is good, y'all. Double dipping is good because you get more batter, more seasoning. I can't wait. Y'all, I get excited about my food, especially when I caught it last night. My grandbaby just left, thank goodness, or we wouldn't get none of these frogs to even taste. She's a frog nut. She loves her frogs. Okay, y'all, let's get over here and check this all out, see how it's doing. 325 degrees, 27. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut it up now. Watch this, y'all, just watch this. Oh! Watch this, I'll do it left-handed too. Oh boy, y'all, this is gonna be delicious. Well, you want to cook these frogs until they're like golden brown. It usually take a couple minutes to do this, 4 or 5 minutes to cook these things. All right, y'all, let's cut the heat up over here and right here. Oh, wee! Y'all got them? Y'all smell that? That's some frog legs back here. Next step is, watch this. We're gonna get us some of these frogs right here. We're gonna lay them out. Now these are real good this way. Of course, back to the Blackstone seasoning. Season them up real good. That's some good stuff, y'all. Okay, once you get that, next is the sesame oil. You don't need a lot of this. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You might get your hands a little dirty, but it's gonna be worth it. You just mix that sesame oil up in here. Once you get this going, I'm gonna get a little bit of my soy sauce. That sesame oil is just, can y'all smell it? This stuff is just good. All right, y'all. First thing we're gonna grab these. I'm gonna go here, get me a little oil to put on here. And y'all watch this. Watch this. Oh, get it all soaking in there. Yes, indeed. Now watch this. It's gonna get a little steamy. That's good. That's what we want. And these frogs are not gonna take long at all to cook. We're gonna go ahead and cover these up with a dome right now. Get on there. While we doing that, I'm gonna get some butter. I want to show y'all something else. We're gonna put right there. You just stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Stay there. Oh, this is gonna be real good here, y'all. Y'all doing frogs 3 ways is easy. If y'all could just smell this, it is super good. Super, super good. Watch this. They're going right in the butter. Right in the butter, because butter makes it better, baby. Oh, this is gonna be good, yeah. You get you some of that good old Crystal hot sauce. And a lot of people put a little bit. I don't. I put a lot. Basically, this is Bayou buffalo sauce right here. Oh, y'all can smell that. Oh, if they only had smell-o-vision. Now I can put a little seasoning on these too. It won't hurt because I done got some on it. A little more won't hurt. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Okay. Let me show y'all what we're gonna do now. We're gonna cover these up. Y'all get under here. Ooh. I like it when a plan comes together. These are looking good. I think I'm gonna give them a few more minutes. I like my batter a little more crispier. Hold that. But don't go nowhere because we're finna turn this all over right here. Look here, let me get over here. I'm gonna go ahead and set that down. Look at them. Is that beautiful or what? Oh my goodness. Look just like frog leg. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, I can't not wait to eat them. All right, next up is behind container number 2. Look at there. Oh, y'all, this hot sauce, this Crystal hot sauce. See, y'all, I'm trying to get a lot of that juice. And watch, just drip, drip, drip. See how it's dripping on there? That's what you want. Oh, all right, y'all, we're gonna set these down here. Y'all coming out of there. Come on over here and get out. I mean, this is something we grew up eating all the time. It's just one of them foods. And you could cook it so many different kinds of ways. Look at that. It's just something about getting out in the swamp or wherever and just catching your own food. It just don't get no better than this. Let me show y'all how tender these things are. Look, the meat just falls off the bone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the buffalo ones. These are totally different. Got a little heat in them. You could taste the butter. You could taste the Cajun seasoning. If you can't find frogs where you're at, hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm sorry. If you can't find frogs where you're at, you can use chicken wings. Yo, this is just so good. It's just amazing how good these fresh frog legs are. I got to eat another one, y'all. I can't help myself. The reason I really started cooking, to be honest with everybody, when I was growing up, if you knew something or had a skill, Grandpa would take you. It didn't matter what the skill was, as long as you had one. It didn't matter if it was just washing dishes. And that's what I started doing. I started washing dishes at camp. And then I started cooking. Once Grandpa knew you had a skill, you was guaranteed to be in that boat with him when the boat left. And that's the reason I am a cook I am today, I guess. That just sparked my interest in it. And like I said, if you had something you could do, Grandpa was gonna bring you with him. Hey, next time on the Bayou, I want to show y'all something real cool. Bayou sous vide. It's totally different than anybody else ever does it. I guarantee you're gonna like this. We're gonna cook some good steaks. I'm gonna show you how.
Tonight you're cooking with the